Hey everyone, so top 3 things I did today. I prospected new candidates for the DAV Alliance. I began the very long but very important process of listing us on a large collection of ICO calendars and websites. And I was engaged more in the Telegram channel today, answering some of the more challenging questions. That's it for me, wrapping up for the day, so I will see you guys soon.
Hey there, DailyDAVers, Alec here. I just came back from the Blockchain Economic Forum in Singapore. I bought some candy for the team. We had an excellent time. Noam delivered 2 excellent speeches, and we got to sit down with crypto heads, hedge funds, different enthusiasts of blockchain and potential collaborations. It was awesome. We're just sorting out all our cards and all the follow-ups today. And that's about it, guys. Have a good day.
Hey, good morning. So a quick daily update from me. Yesterday was all about meetings and recruiting. I was actually out of the office most of the day, going from place to place, meeting different people. Today I have been focused, I'm doing the DailyDAV a bit late because I've been focused on releasing a new version of missions and mission control that is now up in the air, and Lior is actually going over that and giving his feedback. I'm going to be spending the rest of my day going over our smart contracts and making plans to see what additions we need to be doing for our POCs. I will see you tomorrow.
Hi guys, so yesterday I created the spec for a new section inside our missions app for both missions, and I started working on both communication protocol. First scenario will be vessel charging, part of the POC that we're working on. And today, since we launched the website yesterday, we tackled some small post-launch website issues, and I continue to work on this communication protocol, created a PR with 10 commits from the past few days, so a few more changes onto our developer portal, and I think this is it. Thanks.
How's it going? Joe Lapardo here. So yesterday, the obvious main focus was everything as it pertains to the website, branding, worked on some advisor stuff, also worked on some paid marketing and making sure the advertising campaigns and those banner ads matched the new branding as well. So everything went off pretty much without a hitch. So really happy. Team did an awesome job. Everyone put a lot of great work in, and I'm really happy with the new website. And we'll continue to build off that. Today, main focus has been just little tweaks and adjustments around the website, around new branding. We have to add some new advisors that are going to be announced in the next week or two to things like the one sheet and the website and some other marketing material we have. Besides that, other things around paid marketing, making sure that our campaigns are ramping up, and we should have an email blast going out today, this afternoon as well. So all great things across the board. As always, having a lot of fun and doing good work. Thanks everybody. Have a good one.